Hey, let's see how to set up a new account on Cookie3 Analytics. Firstly, you need to go to app.cookie3.co and then click in the left bottom corner, sign up. You can either use Google account or click login, and then you will be sent a verification code. All right, I pasted it. And here we go. So what's the company name? Let's say Cookie3. What type of project do you represent? And this is an onboarding that will allow us to understand your needs and your situation better. So then we can adjust and personalize the experience accordingly. So we are an ecosystem. I accept the terms and click continue. What type of ecosystem do you represent? Other, please specify. So data analytics ecosystem. How many projects are actively being built within your ecosystem? I presume more than 200. What are your goals for the ecosystem within the next 6 to 12 months? I would say grow user adoption and support project launches. Which services are you most interested in for your ecosystem projects? KOL intelligence and airdrop services. And then you can schedule a call with our BD manager if that's relevant for you. I'll click maybe later and we are in. You can now test your platform. Cheers.